Are you a beginner looking for transcription jobs? Well, you're in luck. Transcription jobs are a fantastic way to kickstart your career, offering flexibility and good pay. It's all about typing out recorded speech. Stay tuned as we count down the top 5 transcription companies that are hiring beginners right now. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Scribie. Based in the lively heart of India, this transcription giant welcomes beginners with open arms. To apply, simply head to their website and follow the easy step-by-step guide. And the best part? They offer a competitive starting rate of $5 per audio hour, a rather handsome sum considering the industry standards. So, if you have a keen ear and a nimble typing speed, Scribie is your ticket to ride. If you're just starting out and want to dip your toes in the transcription world, Scribie is a great place to start. At number 4, we have TranscribeMe. This San Francisco-based company offers a simplified application process, making it a breeze for beginners. All you need to do is take their easy-to-follow training and pass the exam. Once that's done, you're good to go. The pay, it ranges from $15 to $22 per audio hour. Not to mention, TranscribeMe boasts a supportive community for beginners, so you're never alone on your transcription journey. TranscribeMe is a great platform that welcomes beginners with open arms. Coming in at number 3 is Reverend. Based in the heart of San Francisco, this transcription powerhouse is known for its abundance of work and speedy payment process. To join the revolution, simply head to their website and fill out an application form. Once accepted, you can look forward to earning between 25 to 45 cents per audio minute. Now that's a sound investment. If you're looking for a company that offers a lot of work and pays quickly, Rev is your go-to. The runner-up on our list is GoTranscript. Founded in Edinburgh, Scotland, GoTranscript is a global powerhouse in the transcription world. To apply, simply visit their website and take their online test. No prior experience is required, which is great for beginners. They pay up to 60 cents per audio minute and offer a lot of support for newcomers. After all, we all know that in transcription, like in life, it's important to C# or you'll B flat. GoTranscript is a great choice if you're a beginner looking for a supportive work environment. And the number 1 transcription company for beginners is Daily Transcription. Based in the heart of Los Angeles, this company is renowned for its competitive pay rates and beginner-friendly environment. To apply, simply head over to their website, fill out the application form, and complete a skills test. They're always on the lookout for fresh talent, so don't worry about the competition. Now let's talk numbers. Daily Transcription offers an impressive starting rate of $1 per audio minute. That's right, folks, $1 per minute. So, if you're fast, you could be raking in the dough in no time. If you're a beginner looking for a high-paying transcription job, Daily Transcription is the place to be. Now get out there and start earning.